all the time?
Yep. Surprisingly effective as well at making people go slow because they think you're a cop.
Oh, yeah.
See the big thing up in the corner?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got a lens! Slow down!
Yeah. Also, you see people at the brakes.
Well, you know, when I was parked outside waiting for Mom to get off work, because I gave her a ride yesterday,
Right.
I had it out like this, and it was angled out just a few degrees from the side.
Yeah.
And it's a school zone,
Okay.
but people are just flying past.
Right.
So I angled it out a little bit, kept my eyes on them like this.
Yeah. Did you slow them down?
Yeah! And every time someone blasted by, I'd kind of quickly hit the gas a little bit because I was parked.
Yeah.
Just enough to make the car jump a bit.
Yeah.
You could just see the lights light up behind them.
Yeah, probably the
Brake!
Yeah. I was just going to say like this. Oh my God,
Yeah.
please thunder it. Oh, look, speaking of which. He didn't even notice. He's
No.
playing on his...
Playing on his computer.
Yeah,
What if Amy's
exactly.
playing?
Yeah. Tetris. I don't think so. God, remember when Tetris was high tech? That's at your time.
Yeah.
You don't remember Atari?
Well, I played Kim's, or was it yours?
No, it was Kim's. I never owned one. But I owned a Sega.
Really?
Yeah.
I owned my first console, forgetting Kim's and your ColecoVision.
Yeah.
Not even considering that because like those were yours.
Right.
My first one was a Nintendo.
Yeah.
NES, like the original Nintendo.
Oh my God.
Then I bought a Game Boy when we were on vacation in
Oh, I
Montana.
remember. I heard. Okay.
Oh, the
Whether I
black
saw
and
it
white
or-
screen. Look at it go. It's amazing. And it took me like 5 days to realize, oh, you have to turn the contrast up and down so you can actually see it. I thought it was just a bad design.
Right. Okay, so there's going to be, after these lights, I think there's a church on the left, so it's the first, or on the right, it's the first one.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Then I got a set. I love this.
What?
This right here.
Hey, what's that? Oh, cool.
Yeah, it's just like the ones in Kansai in Japan.
Neat.
Oh,
Is he Japanese?
no, he's a white guy.
Oh, okay. Punk? Probably.
I'd say maybe 25 years old or something.
Okay, not
I don't know him at all.
What am I saying?
And yeah, after that I got a Sega Genesis. My friend had the Sega Master System.
Okay, your next left.
Okay. Yeah, got a Sega Genesis, and then I was completely anti-Nintendo. Completely against it. Oh, screw Nintendo. Sega's so much better. And then Sega went downhill. Sega!
Yeah. Sega! I can't even do it.
Then I got a Game Gear, Sega Game Gear.
Oh, I didn't even know there was such a thing.
Which was actually pretty
right
good.
At the next one?
Okay. Like the Game Gear was the Sega version of the Game Boy.
Oh!
You said take a left? Or
Right.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
And you go follow the road right around the corner, and she's basically on your side of the road.
Okay.
The house right after the alley. I know I'm not getting you to drive me for dope, if you're wondering, because I know it is the hood. You'll probably right on where the red truck is here.
Okay.
That's your house. You can come in if you want. Or you can't park in this guy's
I know.
driveway.
I'll just no, wait out here.
Okay. All right.
I've got my phones.
I shouldn't be too long. I'm not sure. Hopefully she has it in containers. Okay.
All right. I will be here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wasn't that entertaining? One wireless network and it's locked. Damn it. As they say in Japan, chiksho! Apparently that means shit.